Look at the birds. Whoa. Bird. Look at the bird. That was epic. Look at that bird.
Well, I want him to catch one in midair.
Oh! That almost happened. Look. So much birds. Are you throwing goldfish?
Yeah.
Those got really close. Can you believe?
Want to throw some?
Yes. Oh, come on. They don't like getting close to humans.
These are some hungry little boogers.
Boogers. So much birds. Look at that one. That's a chunky bird.
All right, back up. I'm gonna see if they're gonna eat it off the mirror here. Oh, it fell off.
Ooh, we're gonna get. If they eat this, they will be really close. Come on, you birds. Two hours later. They need more food. One came really close to my food. But then, look at these birds. Ooh, that one's flying. Look at that chunky bird. Look at that chunky bird. Whoa, we're moving mid-bird.